Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change your icon shape on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're bored of the square shape on your Samsung S25 Ultra and you want to change it to something like this, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the store. So this is the Samsung store. Search for store. This is what you need to open up. In here, you need to go ahead and find an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app and then install it. Go ahead and open it. Now in the app itself, you need to open up another app called Theme Park. So go ahead and search for this and then open it. Now in Theme Park, you need to go ahead and search for icon. So there it is. Tap on this, then tap on Create New. And now this is what your icon looks like. So it's a square shape. However, you can go ahead and select this different shapes. You've got circle, square, you've got a funny shaped teardrop, you've got a flower, a diamond, hexagon, you have a star, a speech bubble, or more star. So go ahead and choose the one that you like. You can go ahead and change the icon colors as well. And you can also change the tray color. So go ahead and customize it as you like. Now once you're happy, tap download at the top, give it a name. Go ahead and choose that icon theme, then tap on apply. And then if you press home, so now once you've applied that, all the icons will change its shape to the one that you selected. So there you go guys, that is how to change your icon shape on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.